Welcome. In front of me is a Nubia Pad 3D, and today I will show you how you can enable and also set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen, and then swipe down once again to extend the list of visible toggles. This will also show you a little pencil because the Do Not Disturb mode is disabled by default. We will need to add it ourselves. So click on that pencil, and then somewhere here below you should find the Do Not Disturb mode, which for me is right over here with this little moon icon. Once you see it, you can hold it, it gets lifted up, and just drag it over the top, drop it. And when you go back, you should have access to it on one of the pages. For me, it's right over here. So once you see it somewhere in this panel, you can hold it again, and this will now take you to the settings where you can customize the mode itself. So going over some of the options, we have things like the schedule, and here you can select a fully automatic schedule. The device comes with one that is pre-made called sleeping. If you tap on the gear icon, it will show you the parameters of it. So it starts at 10 p.m, ends at 7 a.m, runs all week long. Now, if you're planning to use the sleeping schedule, just make sure that it is toggled on in here, and that's all you need to do. And any kind of subsequent schedule that you create right here by selecting add more, when you create it, it automatically becomes enabled. So assuming you don't want it right away, you might need to turn it off. Now going back, we have apps, alarms and other interruptions, and display options for hidden notifications. And this is just all kind of visual and auditory settings for how the device behaves while the mode is enabled. So you can go over this, customize it to fit your needs, and then close it. And whenever you want to use your Do Not Disturb mode, just find a toggle, simply tap on it, and you're good to go. Now when enabling it manually, like I just did, you will also need to remember to turn it off yourself, otherwise it will be running indefinitely in the background. Alternatively, if you don't if you're afraid that you're gonna forget about it, you could set up a schedule and just use that, or additionally, even on top of that, you could create a single schedule that runs every single day for like a single minute, maybe somewhere at night. So when you enable it manually and forget about it, the schedule will roll around, enable it, which it already would be enabled, and then a minute later it's just gonna turn it off. So that would be a solution. But anyway, with that being said, hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.